18:45, 11 seconds, December 26, 2015.
Rowlett, please. This is Tasha.
Hi, Tasha. Hey, it's a barcomer. There's a tornado coming across the lake right there by Bass Pro Shop, so you might want to.
Did you see it?
Be worried. Yeah, I'm coming across the lake right now. It's tearing up transformers.
Okay. I'll let them know.
So just give y'all guys a heads up.
Awesome. Thanks, Preston.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay.
40 I'm out traffic. Jackson 66. Texas, David Frank 9, Mary 257. David Frank 9, Mary 257.
Okay, we're taking a lot of calls. I'm going to need y'all to make sure I'm listening. Where are you at?
I'm slow rolling westbound 66 Jackson.
Cancel.
Could be with it.
Cancel.
1148, I've got transformers blowing up to the south from Wingfoot. Okay, tell them to get his lights on and tell them to go. We're clear.
$500 units. I've got a subject that said they were hit by the tornado at 2401 La Costa, 2401 La Costa.
50, you want to go get that? Yeah, let's go. 540 and 50 route code. Yeah, we're going to need more units. 220, we're getting hit west, rest of it.
Receive getting hit over there. We'll get other units as soon as we can.
Okay, we know if it's still on the ground and we know where it's at.
The wedge house is getting hit, and we've got light power out in here, so we're going to try to get some off-duty help in here.
Okay, for good, whatever you can.
Yes, we will. And we also have got fire department trying to get them en route over there.
Okay, boy. All right, we're going down 226. It's on 226. Be careful. Where's it at? It's going to be around the area of Cheesa. All right, we got fire outage. 40 to 50. I've got this side. Go help over at the Webb residence. A130, we were hit here at A135, but most of probably 3.
Received 8135.
Hey, gas status, tell me what is that?
8133 Lakeview, is that where you're at?
40, hold on traffic. 50, it looks like it's still on the east side, north of Sour Rock. Okay, boy. 230, it's already gone by us. I think we were mostly hit by debris and heavy wind. 1148, I've got it eyes on it south. It's going to be north of 66, and it's going to be still east of Dow Rock.
Received north of 66, east of Dow Rock. And be advised, we've lost our phones in here. We've got lines going, but we cannot answer.
50, we've got a major traffic jam underneath the overpass. Bush, power is out, all lights are out, signals, everything.
10-4. Again, we're trying to get some off-duty employees in here to help us out.
250. Hey, where am I needed right now?
Eighteen 54:46 seconds, December 26, 2015.
Taxi PD, well, PD.
Taxi, go ahead.
Okay, I've had multiple calls reporting at least 15 cars overturned near the intersection of I-30 and 190.
Restage, we have had a touchdown. We're working it as much as we can. We will get some help over there as quickly as we can.
Restage, and Peter 911 is not answering.
Yes, we lost power and we can't get any of our phones to work at the moment.
Restage. We pretty much got power out everywhere. 40, we have down power lines at Miller and the tracks, right at the lake. We need somebody out here, ASAP. 250, give me a status update on everybody.
210, your status. You're 10-4, correct?
Correct.
220.
220, myself and 21 are checking houses. Our cars are inoperable, and multiple houses damaged and windows blown out everywhere.
Restage, 230.
10-4, mostly debris, but we're all intact. I can still see the tornado northeast of it.
10-4, we're toning out for the I-30 and 190.
(18:59, 13 seconds), December 26, 2015.
We're going to go to 1174. Just be advised that the 84, 85, and 8300 block of Kensington and Chesham has been hit, and we're going up and down the alleyway checking on injuries.
Restage, 250.
Right.
250, be advised, we have no phones, and apparently Garland's phones are down at this time as well.
Yeah, we'll also be advised, I guess you had to write it on paper here at Cheetah and Delta. I got a low power line. It's not down, but it's low.
Delta and Cheetah, low power line.
40. I've got one on the road at Miller and the tracks. I cannot get to the call, on port's call. I cannot get around. I'm going to put flares out, and we need to get FD or someone out here to block these lines off, because I got 2 extra lines that are fixed to come down.
10-4, they are going as much as they can.
50 is at Keys and Harbor. I've got a bunch of debris, a bunch of damage down here. I'm taking off families. Traffic must be down at Dalrock because of diversion to the church parking lot at City Union Church.
We have at least a 15 car to 30 car pile up on 190, and I believe 30 over near Bass Pro and Dalrock area.
40, once I drop flares, I'll head to that. That's the only thing I can get to on this side. And I'm trying to get to that right now. Emergency traffic.
250, go with your traffic.
I just need the Keys and Harbor. I've got open gas lines down here.
350.
1106, Dalrock, just north of 66 is going to be pretty much impassable with debris. 220, we have leaking gas lines on Kensington as well. Okay, got a lot of damage down here off the harbor. I got people screaming. 1029. I've got some houses that are damaged, some destroyed houses. 1029.